Modification of Gauss law for dielectrics. In chapter 2nd, we derived the Gauss law in its differential form, that is del dot E bar is equal to rho upon epsilon naught. Here rho is the total volume charge density. Total volume charge density of all charges within the region. Now here we can replace rho is equal to rho b plus rho f. Here rho b is the volume charge density of bound charges. Density of bound charges, and rho f is the volume charge density of a free. Here this one, it is the volume charge density of free charges. Actually, the charge density due to everything else except the charge density due to polarization. We can now state the Gauss law as del bar dot E bar is equal to rho total upon epsilon 0, where this rho total is nothing but it is the rho b plus rho f, and rho b is nothing but it is a minus del dot p bar. So we can write here this epsilon 0 into del bar dot E bar is equal to rho b plus rho f is equal to minus del dot p bar plus rho f. So we take minus del dot p bar in the LHS side. So our equation becomes as epsilon 0 del dot E bar plus del dot p bar is equal to rho f, or we can write we can take the outside del dot is equal to epsilon naught E bar plus p bar is equal to rho f. The expression in parenthesis is known as the electric displacement d bar. Okay, so we can write this d bar is equal to epsilon naught E bar plus p bar. Hence the Gauss law in differential form is given by del dot d bar is equal to rho f. So this is the differential form of a Gauss law. To obtain the Gauss law in a integral form, obtain Gauss law in integral form. So what we take? Take the integral on both the sides of the equation with respect to volume V dash. So we can take the integral volume V dash del dot d bar into dv dash is equal to volume integral of rho f into dv dash. So apply a Gauss divergence theorem for this first term, that is a volume integral of del dot d bar dv dash is equal to closed surface integral of d bar dot n cap into d dash. Also here volume integral of rho f into dv dash, it is nothing but it is a free electrons. Okay, it is the free charge in volume V dash, or the free charge enclosed within the surface S. So Gauss law in integral form is given by surface integral of d bar dot n cap dA is equal to qf. So this is the integral form of a Gauss law.